Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 3 minutes. Plus, you can get this premium slide from my Patreon link in the description below. And you can also subscribe to my Patreon for about $20 or even $5 or $1.9 as well. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is clear up your slide and then insert a rectangle this long from the starting to the mid end point of the slide. Give it this shadow and duplicate it about 4 times and then group it and then cover the entire slide with them and then ungroup them and you're gonna just move them right here like this, duplicate them and move the remaining ones in the space. So this is how it looks right now, and then select each one of them, and for the parallel of the rectangles that are connected together in one line, you're gonna give them one color of shade. So the color palette I'm gonna use is Color Fades palette. You can search for them in coolers.com or any other website like this, and you can also get from Pinterest. The next thing you're gonna do is insert your text. So this is gonna be our numbers. And next we're gonna insert our content text. Let's just put it right here. You can add a header if you want, but just leave the space with content text and some icons in its place with no header. Let's give it some line spacing so that we can use the icon as well. And to the remaining left space, let's insert 4 icons. Let's place each one of them in each of the slide and give them white fill. Duplicate the slide and go to the first slide. We're going to move them. Well, first of all, let's select all of these and then send them to the back. Yeah, something like this. Now, so on the this slide, do the same. Send them to the back. Next, we're gonna go to the first slide and duplicate it about. Wait, let me just remove them. Let's just go back. And what we're gonna do is select them and then move this rectangle out of the slide, but behind those smaller rectangles. Next, we're gonna change the format background. I'll delete the second slide. Now we're going to change the background color, and we're going to insert the text box for the title, and this we're going to write a title which is going to be agenda slides, and let's just increase its size and change its font if you want, and also the color. We're going to select the second word. We're going to just give it the feel of white yellow because this looks much more comfortable. Now let's duplicate the slide, and one by one select the remove that title and select each of the rectangle along with its content, and then move it while holding shift into the slide. So we're gonna just duplicate the slide and then move the other next rectangle onto the slide. We're gonna repeat the process of duplicating the slide and then moving each rectangle till all of the rectangles are onto the slide. Select all of the slides, give them more transition and reduce the duration as well. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get more amazing updates from our YouTube channel. You can get this template for premium from my Patreon link in the description below.